All right, so I wanted to, as a final thing, introducing demand curves, I just wanted to recap a couple of specific things. So, got a downward sloping demand curve. It shifts out if suddenly we're actually willing to spend more for the same amount, or for any given price, we're willing to actually buy more. And that might be suddenly we like it more, or maybe suddenly our income is higher. Those are the two kind of classic reasons. There are other reasons why it might shift. But if it's just that the price of the good is changing and nothing else has, then we're going to be moving along the demand curve. So that's a quick recap. So what did I want to discuss talking about demand curves? I wanted to hone in on why it's downward sloping. So I already talked about, the chocolate bars and Netflix episodes, and the second one always gives you less satisfaction than the first, and the third gives you less than the second. So what is this? This is diminishing marginal returns to utility. So utility is your benefit. We've talked about consumers' benefit or value, we call utility. And that tends to go down as we have more of it. In terms of the amount by which it's added tends to go down as we have more of it. So you enjoy the second episode on a Netflix binge less, all other things kept equal, less than the first. And so you've got lower marginal utility. It adds to your utility less than before. And so you're going to carry on buying it until, if you're facing a price level, until the added benefit is less than the amount you have to pay. And then you're going to stop buying. So then you buy at this point where, hey, that's the price. You want to be making sure that you're adding at least as much benefit as you're going to have to be paying. All this good. That's just a final recap of what does this demand curve really represent?